Shri Brahmanipada, the complete vision. Shri Brahmanipada has a benevolent nature. She is often in the circle of 64 yoginis and also belongs to the group of 7 or 8 matrikas. In the present oracle, she gives protection with one hand and with the other holds the primordial waters where life can express itself. Shri Brahmanipada represents the global vision necessary for starting any project or creative action. Her vehicle is a swan, Hamsa, or any other aquatic bird, considered to be a bird of passage. The Hamsa, accompanying Shri Brahmanipada, expresses the idea that everything in creation does not exist in itself, but as a tool of transition, a way to obtain what is beyond or embedded in creation, the Absolute. In the Rig Veda, the Hamsa is considered capable of extracting the sap of life, soma, from water, that is to say, extracting the essence of life from everyday activity represented by the waters. This card is an important step in understanding our purpose in the cycle of life. Sadhana. Before meditation, we should ask Shri Brahmanipada to guide us to develop the global vision that will give us the experience of life and the understanding of our proper nature and reality, to understand our dharma. To conclude the sadhana, open your eyes and say the following. May the divine knowledge of Shri Brahmanipada be revealed to me by her grace from the field of all possibilities that I reach during meditation.